People, acha. Roof gone. This is a school. Comfort all basics. This is in the community of Wales Pond. Most of you know container turnover. Inside church. Wales Pond, Ramble Pond. Yeah. Man. No. Come drive to me so the church losing top. Yeah, so people, yeah man. So this is in the community of Wales Pond. This is Wales Pond back run to Comfort Hall, yeah, man. The same place I can drive a go and chop and all them little places. You know? So this is how our road has to look. Alright. Alright, that's all. Take off that light. The house there, all of him roof gone. All of him roof gone. All of him roof gone. See me? Yeah. Alright, the house I just say now. All of them tank the way I look on. The black tank there, you see the way up on the top up there, so on top of the house. See shorty there. The shutter. Imagine you see your car. Look, you know. Imagine you see your car in your garage. Safe. Because it's well covered up. Then you just realize, I guess, you don't have no car because I see it beating. Beating gone, people. Clean. Alright. Come up on this house, yeah. Wall house, see them have tarpaulin. Tarpaulin right there, so. All like shingles, them and so forth. Gone. Everywhere brown. See me? Watch it. Coming up to the right there, so. House up there, so. House there. On the command there. Film roof gone. Gone, people. Run and I saw too bad than realize the majority of the tree them brown and majority of the place them you could see a ticky thing brown, people. So here. So see the Wales Pond. Welcome to Wales Pond, and this is right here, people. Same place in Amobi here. If you all don't know, right here in Amobi. So the road stay here. Man, them go to couple work and so forth. House on the hill there. Veranda, 1 and 2 roof gone, but not too bad. I have another house down in the gully, so. But the roof seems to be intact. Yeah. I think we have a full cup down there too now. I see full cup over there, so there. Full cup still intact. Still turn up. But otherwise, see the road look here. I think you have some persons down on the further down on the hill. I do a couple of work as well. It's not reach there still, so you guys will see that. So people are pick up, you know, who they burn, we burn. So this is in the community of Wales Pond, run by Ramble Pond. You can either drive Anchovy end and come in, or you can drive from Bogue end and come up the hill. It's a very kind of little steep hill still, so what you'll see. Oh man, I car just passed me by a beer cuff. Alright. This is what it is, this people. So, see it there? All garbage pile up. It seems like no truck come. So garbage well piled up. This used to be a pond. Well, still is a pond. That's what left of the big tree that is in the pond. I'm looking for a couple of I can survive the onslaught. Alright, I have some car in behind me, some other spots and give them away. I'll call them round. On the road. Alright, some of the spots make them carry the pass. Because you know, yeah, I get really good footage. This is a shop here in the community. You can see the film roof gone. Yeah. Our house is standing. Some big old tree here. Well, as I said, the persons in the community has really been putting in some work around here, so you're able to have a little drive-through road. That tank and that still intact, so it's not much damage because I can see most of those persons have wall house or slab top, which we are calling them. But yeah, community of Wellspan, Rumblepan, yeah, whichever way you want to put it. Going down the hill, and what people watch her, and then we can zoom. Yeah man, you must zoom. A boog that we are looking, you know, boog we are looking. Look over yonder, dang, a boog we are looking. The scheme right back, you can see right back to sailing people from, hey, I don't know, no little view this, no people, a big view this, no. You hear me say? Big view this, see there, see Caribbean Sea there. Oh, not taxi man. Ja. Big view. That one. Alright, so make we zoom back down in. Yeah, right. Continue with journey. Come brother, you really go black me son. So what I'm up to. I said me really have to go blow him or go move out of my way. Forward now.
Come on, respect.
Say alright. Jummies. Go wide now, brother. You big old road that you come over for me. Jesus. I might have car down here so they can't come out for now. Ja. The roof gone too.
Thing rough, man.
Ja know yacht. Female a shovel though.
Yo, I not tell me something about that brother and call me. I don't want no more help. Why you not call me? Why you not call me?
Hey, Harry, a black road for me. A black. Hey. A black road for me, Harry.
Yeah, man.
Why you tell me say I do work down here, brother?
No, I couldn't tell you.
What make?
Phone.
Oh, no.
You still know me live?
Yeah?
You still know me live? Me no move. You house no blow down.
I couldn't cut this again.
Me I look some gas down your road.
Look here, when we walk up the road there, so, you want to take me to the amount of talking, you
Ja,
cut down
ja.
your work there, so.
Alright, because my next car that flank and me want to go for me, I buy some gas and sit and so when me pass, me just tap on gas strength.
Yeah, man, one dig cut a deeper part then.
Hey, I come on car and truck come pick up the garbage, but down the side but I chuck them. I'm going to thief for a chuck one idea them. How much of them think me hold for arms just want to take a chuck and come up here. But he can't come through down there so.
We know man. We want to catch a fire down there so.
Aye. Aye.
Yeah man.
Aye, Harry boy.
Aye.
Chap.
This time just come through now. You say, don't use chainsaw and clear, I say, you know.
Wicked.
Yeah, man.
Oh, go on, big boss. Yeah, man, I think you can take off, relax.
Not yet.
Jaja. Yeah, Miko. Jaja. Alright. See the people. Work a go on. Jaja. Narrow Valley. Right? Make it sure that. Asung na i-chop ni carry on esa? Asung na ba pala i-chop?
Yeah.
Jajam pick up rebel.
A piece of stick.
Jaja. Alright, on again. Yeah, people, see that them view ya? Tell you them view ya serious views. Watch it. Montego West Village, Bogue Village, and them that over there, so yeah. Big boat at sea, then when someone parking on Middle Road. Oh, you ain't sure where you go. Oi. Oh. Alright. Yeah, that Freeport that you know. Banana trash. My family if you go sideway. Catch up here now. Take yourself home internet. Why then give you a hard time with the service you see man? 30 minutes, you say you're so gone, you know? Jaja. Oi. Right, this went deep. Oh, village. Right, people, we are out. That's it. The entrance to the boat village. We are out.